Incredible!
Where put your head?
He's the hero, but whatever. It's a fight. Fist and Mr. Incredible. Hi guys, I'm Lucas and this is Vivienne.
Hi.
And this is our incredible goldfish. Do you want to see them? Okay, give me a second. Here they are. They're in red and orange color, and the yellow one's the Incredibles logo. So let's taste them. I like red, so here we go. Whoa, what happened?
Incredible brother.
Oh, I guess I am. You try one.
I'm gonna do Incredible sister.
Maybe you'll become that. Yeah, you're right. You are the Incredible sister. Now try another one. She's going for the yellow one. Whoa, look what we got here. It's Mr. Incredible himself.
It's toy.
Now let me eat one. Another red one. Hey, and I got the fist. Whoa. Hey, Vivi. Oh, never mind. Incredible.
Where put your head?
He's the hero, but whatever. It's a fight. Fist and Mr. Incredible. Nah, they're both good guys. Alright, let's keep on eating. And look at this, what we got here. That's so cool. It's a Play-Doh egg. Well, should we unwrap it? Alright, let's do it. Take off the logo and peel off the Play-Doh. I'm curious what surprises are inside.
Maybe toys and eggs.
Not quite eggs, but we got some blind boxes, it looks like. Wow! Whoa! Oh, we did get some eggs here. But first, let's check out what Incredibles 2 figures we can collect in this blind boxes. We can get Mr. Incredible, Elastigirl, Dash, Edna, Frozone, another Elastigirl in a different super suit, the Underminer, Violet Purr, and the Incredibles baby. Hey Vivi, do you know the Incredibles baby name?
Jack.
That's right! So let's see if we can get Jack in one of these blind boxes. So let's start with the first one.
Yeah, get one.
We didn't get Jack, but we got the Underminer. So let's get him out.
No.
I also wonder if we'll get all of them. So we're starting off with a villain. So here comes the Underminer. And Vivi, open the second blind box. Now let's see if you'll find Jack. I wonder what's inside. And we got Violet Purr.
Yeah.
A different figure. And there she is. Doing some karate move. Chop chop.
Kia.
Alright, third blind box. Maybe I'll get Jack. Nope, but I got Edna. So here's our third different figure, Edna. And we also have a trivia for you on this one. And that is, what will Edna not make for a superhero costume? If you know the answer, write down in my comments. Okay, Vivi, fourth blind box. And it's Dash. Here comes the speedy little boy. Okay, next blind box. And we got the Elastigirl in a different costume. And there she is. And she's doing some sort of roundhouse kick. Okay, Vivi, take another blind box. No, Vivi, you can do it.
Okay.
Come on. Is it Jack?
No.
different superhero. Freeze! Here we go, another blind box. And it's the Mrs. Incredible Elastigirl. This one in the Incredible costume. Only 2 more blind boxes left, and we're missing Mr. Incredible and Jack Jack. So which one will we get first?
It's Mr. Incredible.
And it's Mr. Incredible! Yes! Ouch. And here's Mr. Incredible.
Strong.
And that leaves us with 1 blind box. So maybe it has Jack Jack in it. Maybe you do the honors. I can't look. Actually, yeah, sure I can look. Is it Jack Jack? It's Jack Jack! Yay! Oh, he's so tiny.
Yes. No one needs it.
And here's the Incredible baby with 1 strip of hair. So here's the whole family.
So cute.
So these were the Incredibles 2 blind boxes. Now let's move on to our surprise eggs. Oh, there's this big red one here. Wonder what it is. Oh, it opened already. Oh, it has Mr. Incredible in it. What a coincidence.
Oh, it's so giant.
He's definitely bigger than the blind box one. You see how big it is? Okay, Vivi, get another surprise egg. What's inside?
It's Mom?
It's Mrs. Incredible, or Elastigirl, or if you prefer, Incredible Mom. Alright, let's see who else is there. And it's Violet, in the bigger form.
He's Sister Incredible.
That's right, this is Sister Incredible.
Kia!
Alright, there's only 2 surprise eggs left, so let's see which Incredible figure will be inside them. Okay, baby. Alright, I don't know what's inside. And it's Dash! Bigger form once again.
He's Incredible brother.
Meow. Now there's only 1 more surprise egg, so let's see if we can get the whole family by getting Jack Jack.
It is.
Oh, it is Jack Jack! Hey! Oh, it's even cuter than the last one.
Yeah, he's so tiny.
And this time he's already copying his family members and doing some more chop chop.
Wee.
So these were the surprises that we found in our Incredibles giant surprise egg. Now let's go through them one more time. We got Edna, the Underminer, Violet Purr, Dash, Elastigirl in a purple suit, Frozone, Elastigirl in Incredible suit, Mr. Incredible,
Baby Jack Jack.
Huge Incredible, Mrs. Huge Incredible, Violet Purr in huge form, and Dash in bigger form. And of course,
Baby Jack Jack again.
also we got the smiley Mr. Incredible's plushie
Yay!
and the Incredibles fist. Hey, he's still smiling. One more time. Ah, he's one happy dude. Well, that'll be all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in theaters on June 14th to see The Incredibles 2 movie. Until then, bye! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.